Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am so delighted to bring you this Zara haul and try on. So I am going to show you all the little bits that I got and also do a little try on, kind of like the video I did last week. I have recently purchased a few things from Zara, and even though I do not tend to buy a lot of my stuff with high street brands, there are certain brands that I will lean toward more. Mango or H&M would usually be, or COS or Arket. Actually I got this polo in the men's section from Arket, and I find that the quality is amazing. Zara I don't shop in as often, but I definitely think there are certain things like their denim or their jeans are really good quality. And let's see how the fit is. I haven't actually tried any of these things on, so I'll be trying them on for the first time here with you guys, and I will run through sizing and the fit. Generally with jeans, even if I do get more expensive jeans, I tend to get them altered because of my proportions, and I think that most women are the same. Unfortunately, brands just do not recognize that most women have bigger thighs, smaller waists, not most women, but all different sizes and shapes. We're not all that boyish frame that Zara seems to cater its styles to, but let's see anyway how these fit. So let's get into, they actually came in two packages. So the first one is a pair of jeans. Now, most of my jeans are like boyfriend fit because of the kind, I find it really hard to shop for jeans. So I don't like anything that's tied around my thighs. So generally I'll just go for the boyfriend fit. But I do really, I've wanted a pair of straight leg jeans for a really long time, just for when I'm going for that little bit of dressier feel, but I still want to wear denim. The boyfriend fit just lends itself way better to a more casual look. So I wanted a few pairs of straight leg jeans that I could dress up a little bit, especially coming into summer. Jeans are just so versatile, and you can wear them with crop tops, shirts, blazers, jackets. So I got this cream and I went for a size 10. They do look pretty big, but they look perfect in the leg. Way too big in the waist, I would say, but again, I'll probably just get them altered. So I'll try them on here for you and we'll see how they fit.
Okay, so as you can see, I got these in a size 10 and I am rolling them up just so that you can see how they'll look when I do get them altered. There's a bit of a trend at the moment as well where you roll things up and you leave the top button open. I don't know if that's something I will try, but let's see. I do love the way they look around the crotch area, around the thighs, the length of them, and I will unroll them so that you can just see when I do get them altered, if I decide to do that, how they will look. I am really happy with these and I am delighted I went with the size 10. Yeah, super comfy.
So next up, another pair of straight leg. Again, I went for the size up, size 10. Now, these ones are a mid-rise, and usually I would prefer a high-rise, or a high-waisted pair. But they didn't have this color, which I really wanted, a really light denim in the high-rise, or the, high-waisted. So I'm gonna wait and see if they get them back in the high-waisted, and I'll buy them as well. But I'm actually really impressed with these. I love the color, the quality, as in the texture of the fabric, and I'll try them on for you here.
Okay, so here are the straight leg mid-rise denim. I absolutely adore the quality, the feeling of this denim, really comfortable, thick quality. I am disappointed about the mid-rise because I'm not as comfortable in mid-rise, but in saying that, I'm happy to kind of go with a different style to what I usually go with. I'm liking the length because I can wear them with heels, and then I actually like the look of it being a little bit scrunched up at the bottom with the runners. But overall, I really, really like these and they're really comfortable, and I'll just get them cinched in at the waist.
So next I got I actually had seen this and it was in my basket for ages, and then I saw the complete outfit on Hannah Lewis on Instagram, and basically I was like, okay, that's it, sold. I wasn't hesitating anymore, and I went for the purchase. Now I went for a size small in this, and I kind of wish I went for a size medium, but it is an open back, as in it is a tie, so I will be able to make it as big as I need. But I do think that these kind of tops look a little bit better just on the bigger side, so that you're not busting out of them. I would probably style it with the pants that I got, but you could style that top obviously anyway. You could bring it or wear it under as just one of those kind of things to cover under a blazer and pants, so that you're not just wearing your bra. But I got these linen pants that kind of go with the set, or online anyway, it was styled with these pants. I need to iron them again, but they are a linen pair of white pants, which I don't have. And I love this darting feature in the front, the quality, the color. They're not very see-through. All linen is a little bit see-through, but they're actually not as see-through as I would expect for Zara. And I got these in a size small, and I'll show you them here on.
Okay, I'm totally obsessed with this entire look. I think it looks really way more expensive than it is. I'm happy with the size small in the top and the bottom actually, and really happy with the length. I'm like 5'3", and these are perfect in length for heels, and then they'll be a little bit longer with runners, but I'm really happy with this entire look.
And then next up, I am all about cargo pants. That style, or that trend at the moment, is just so me. I love anything that's kind of a little bit edgy, baggy, and that I can put a little bit of a feminine touch to with heels. So I got these, which I love the quality. I love the material. It's kind of a stiff cotton. Pockets, amazing. Now they are a mid-rise, and they're a little bit baggy around the side. I might have to get them slightly tucked in or altered in a little bit, but I did again get them in a size 10, and these are only €29. So you can't really go wrong. But for summer, I feel like these will just be great with a tank top and a blazer, or in a little bit chillier weather, maybe with kind of a long sleeve oversized jumper and runners. Will be super cute. And then last but not least, from Zara, I got this jacket. I have a wardrobe just full of blazers, and not that I would ever get sick of blazers, but they just lend themselves to kind of a bit of a repetitive style, and I want to invest in a few more kind of jackets. So jackets that are a little bit different, a little bit more shorter, so that cropped look rather than the kind of jackets that cover your bum. I wanted to get a few jackets that are a little bit shorter and just bring a little bit of a different style. So I love this color. It's kind of an olive khaki color. And I went a size up again. I went with a medium with this, and I will try it on for you here, but I am loving this, and I just think it'll be really nice, even with that white denim or cream denim from Zara, and a tank top underneath and heels. Just really cute for summer and for the chilly evenings. Nice to have something just to throw on that isn't a blazer. Okay, so that was all of the things that I got from Zara, and I'm just going to show you one more purchase that I made. I went into Mango the other day, and I had a basket full of stuff online, and I wanted to go in and try them on before I made the plunge. I just much prefer shopping online. But I went in, and actually one of the things that I really just didn't know, it was probably the first thing that was going to be eliminated from my basket, but I tried it on and I ended up buying it because I loved it so much. The great thing about shopping high street sometimes is that you can be a little bit more fun with more expensive clothes. Like, I would only really shop high fashion or luxury brands with, let's say, knitwear, maybe blazers, pants, like things that are going to be staple to my wardrobe. But when it comes to high street, I think you can have a little bit more fun, and I just absolutely adored this. It comes with a matching bottom, and I'm super tempted to go back and get the matching bottom, even though they didn't really fit very well. I sized up, and again, they were kind of tight around the thighs and really loose around the waist. but I might size up even twice to a UK 12 and then get the waist altered, because they were only, I think, 30 or 40 euro, the pants, and it just looks so good together. And I just love this blazer, like so fun, so pretty, and just a really nice outfit for summer. I could wear it as a dress. I bought it in a medium, or I could wear it over denim with white linen pants with, yeah, so there's just endless things you can do with the blazer. But because I have so many blazers and they're all like monotone or a single tone, I thought it would be fun to get something a little bit more floral for summer. So they are all the things that I got in Zara this week and in Mango. I hope you enjoyed this really quick haul. I promise that next week there'll be a vlog on my channel, because so many of you want just Lisbon vlogs non-stop. So I hope they don't get too mundane when it's literally, I'm a creature of habit, so I do the same thing all the time, but I do eat out a lot and try new places a lot. So I will be sure to perhaps do maybe a little bit of a fun itinerary vlog. Please do put your questions below, and if you have any specific requests for Lisbon, whether it's food specifically, working out in Lisbon, where to do a sunset, what kind of things that you should definitely squeeze in at the weekend if you're coming for a weekend trip. So all of those things, which one do you want me to do first? Let me know and I will get to it. And until then, you can follow me over on TikTok and Instagram. I post there numerous times a day, so yeah, follow along for the journey. And if you haven't clicked subscribe, please do. It means the world to me to see our family here on YouTube grow. And yeah, I hope you have a wonderful week, and I look forward to seeing you next week.